Bollywood personalities Kangana Ranaut, Adnan Sami were honored with the Padma Shri on Monday in a ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan in the capital. They were feted with the honor by President Ramnath Kovind. Other recipients of the Padma Shri this year from the world of arts include filmmaker Karan Johar, Ekta Kapoor, and late singer S.P. Balasubramaniam. Kangana took to her Instagram story to share a screenshot about the news. The screenshot seems to be from a Kangana fan club. The post read, four times National Award winner Kangana Ranaut to be honored with the fourth highest civilian honor Padma Shri on 8th November in New Delhi. The pictures from the ceremony have been doing the rounds on social media, where Kangana is seen sporting a beautiful sari paired with stunning large jhumkas. Musician Adnan Sami looked dapper in a classic black sherwani with golden embroidery. Kangana also took to her Instagram handle to express her gratitude for receiving this prestigious award.
दोस्तों, एक कलाकार के नाते मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सम्मान, प्यार, एक्नॉलेजमेंट, पुरस्कार बहुत मिले हैं। लेकिन आज पहली बार लाइफ में मुझे एक नागरिक होने के नाते, एक आदर्श नागरिक होने के नाते पुरस्कार मिला है पद्मश्री, इस देश से, इस गवर्नमेंट से, और मैं आभारी हूँ। जब मैंने अपना करियर शुरू किया था छोटी उम्र में, तो काफी लंबे समय तक मुझे सफलता नहीं मिली। 8-10 सालों बाद जब मुझे सफलता मिली तो मैंने उस सफलता का मजा न लेते हुए जिन चीजों पे काम करना शुरू किया, कई तरह के जो फेयरनेस प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनको मना किया, उनका बहिष्कार किया, आइटम नंबर्स का बहिष्कार किया, बड़े बड़े हीरो की फिल्मों में, बड़े बड़े प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस में काम करने से मना कर दिया, बहुत सारा दुश्मन भी बनाए, पैसे से ज्यादा दुश्मन बनाए। और फिर जब और ज्यादा जागरूकता आई देश को लेके, तो देश को तोड़ने वाली शक्तियां, फिर चाहे वो जिहादी हो या खालिस्तानी हो या दुश्मन देश हो, उनके खिलाफ आवाज उठाई। और न जाने कितने केसेस अभी भी मुझ पर हैं। और अक्सर लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि क्या मिलता है ये सब करके, क्यों करती हो, क्यों ये सब करती रहती हो, तुम्हारा काम नहीं है। तो उन लोगों का आज मुझे ये जवाब मिला है कि ये पद्मश्री के रूप पे जो मुझे सम्मान मिला है, ये बहुत लोगों के मुंह बंद करेगा। तो बहुत दिल से मैं इस देश का धन्यवाद करती हूँ। जय हिंद।
Last month, Kangana was feted with the Best Actress Award for her performance in the Hindi films Manikarnika, The Queen of Jhansi and Panga at the 67th National Film Awards. Today, Kangana also shared the first look poster of her upcoming film Tiku Weds Sheru. The film stars Avneet Kaur and Nawazuddin Siddiqui in lead role. Sharing the poster on Instagram, Kangana wrote, "Receiving Padma Shri honor same day as beginning my journey as a producer is extremely special to me. Sharing with you all the first look of my first production venture under Manikarnika Films Private Limited, Tiku Weds Sheru. Here's a piece of my heart. Hope you all like. Filming begins. See you soon in theaters first." Kangana was last seen in Talaivi. Her other upcoming projects include Thakar and The Incarnation Sita, the period drama Manikarnika Films, The Legend of Dida, and Tejas. Besides this, Kangana will also don the director's hat for Emergency, based on the life of late Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. In the film The Incarnation Sita, Kangana will be seen playing the role of Goddess Sita. The film will be directed by Alokik Desai and will reportedly be released in 5 languages: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada. Dhakar is a spy thriller. The film also stars Arjun Rampal and Divya Datta. In the film, Kangana plays Agent Agni, who takes on the twin menace of child trafficking and exploitation of women. Directed by Rajneesh Khai, Dhakar is slated to hit the screens on April 8, 2022. In Tejas, Kangana plays the role of a fighter pilot. The Indian Air Force was the first of the country's defense forces to induct women into combat roles in 2016. Tejas is directed by debutant Sarvesh Mewara. The film will be RSVP's second film, which pays tribute to the Indian military after the immensely successful film Uri the Surgical Strike, which was released in January 2019.